And Vika, if you guys cannot hear, please let me know, okay, once I play it. It's with subtitles in Spanish, for those of you who speak Spanish.
Good afternoon, students. My name is Karthik Natarajan. I'm the Senior Vice President and Regional CFO for Procter Gamble in Asia Pacific, Middle East, and Africa. I want to thank George for giving me this opportunity to address all of you. I'll only take a minute of your time. The best investment that my parents gave me was one of education. I come from a middle class family in India. When I joined P&G 20 years ago, it was not on the basis of me knowing anybody. It was because I had a belief that merit would be valued. It was because I had a belief that good education would offer me a good future. It was because I had the belief that the company's values and principles will allow someone like me to succeed. 20 years later, I can assure you that belief has held true and firm, and that's why I find myself where I am. That's all I want to pass over to you. Stay true to yourself, stay true to your values, stay true to your belief, and believe in the fact that there is a good future ahead of you, despite everything that the pandemic has thrown at you. Stay confident and stay invested in the path that you're pursuing. Best wishes. Good morning. Good afternoon.
So I hope you find that useful. And now we're going to go to the end. I realize that I'm running late, so I'll be short, but I have something else that I would like to share with you about how this went. So what I would like you to know is that very few students made it to this point. We send this invitation to everyone in your school. And when you look at the numbers, only about 3% actually enrolled. Others figured I'd rather go dancing last night on Friday night, or there was a party, or probably some others felt, I'd rather go sleep. That's why I asked what time it was in Colombia and in Seoul. But you didn't, right? You stayed until the very end. I know that you guys sent over 200 questions. I read each one of them. I know all the responses that we have collected today when you were clicking. We have a record of all of that, about 4,000 responses today. I have read each one of the different business ideas that you sent for the different business units. We classified them by category, but all of them were read. So the point that I want to make is that the difference that you have made is that this is the rest of the students in your high school or in your school, and you're these people right here. Only 1% or less managed to be where you are. And so from my side, I would like to stop sharing now and stand up